Hi folks, it's Michael from Key Chevrolet in Yorkton. Folks, with all the recent changes to the laws regarding distracted driving, where literally almost everything could net you a fine of well over $200 and some. I want to show you how easy it is to use Apple CarPlay if you got an Apple phone. So step one is plugging in your cell phone cord to your vehicle's technology center. They are different locations on the vehicle, but this one is right underneath the dash of the radio. Step two is take the other end of the cord and plug it into the outlet on your cell phone. Step three is hit continue on your screen. Make sure you also check your phone because you do have to accept that you are allowing the app to work on the vehicle's technology center. Okay, so now everything should work. First thing you do, or the next thing you do, is you hit the home button on your technology center and you press Apple CarPlay. The next step is you press the button, and then once you're prompted, you mention the name who you want to call. Call Neil Holland, please.
Calling Neil Holland, mobile.
You can do a lot of things with this, and I'm going to demonstrate. You want to know what the weather's like? Just press a button and ask. Hey Siri, what's the weather going to be like today?
It's currently partly cloudy and -2 degrees in Yorkton. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting early in the morning at 11 a.m. Today's high will be 4 degrees, and the low will be -2.
So folks, if you like the truck I'm in today, I just want to mention that we've had some real reductions in prices here. This truck's regularly priced at right around $52,000. It's on now for $38,900. If you want to talk about it, talk to me, Michael at Key Chevrolet. So that's all there is to Apple CarPlay. It's real simple. So if you got any questions about this or anything, give me a call, Michael at Key Chevrolet, 306-782-2268. Or you can call me direct on my cell, 306-730-9595.